Hello everyone. As Diwali is around the corner, so we Vedantians are here to discuss a topic that is much discussed over years, that is Diwali should be celebrated with crackers or without crackers. So let us have a look what our dear students wants to share.
Hello everyone, my name is Prashasti Dodwani. I am the student of the class 8 from the Vedanta International School. I am strongly in the favor of Diwali with crackers. Diwali is celebrated because Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya, his home, after the exile of 14 years. Diwali celebration has a religious importance for the Hindus. We worship goddess Lakshmi and light diyas. Especially children are very excited for burning crackers. We burn crackers, which is inseparable part of the Diwali celebration. Children feel their joy by burning crackers.
Hello, my name is Anish Kandal. I am a Vedantian from class 8. I am strongly in favor of Diwali without crackers. There are a number of accidents and mishappening that take place during Diwali. Many children burn crackers carelessly and cause a lot of accidents. Some elders also don't take necessary precautions. Burning crackers on road create a disturbance in traffic movement. People should avoid to burn crackers to avoid all these problems. Thank you. Wish you all happy and safe Diwali.
Hello, I am Bhavesh Kumawat. I am a Vedantian of class 8th. I am in favor of Diwali with crackers. Today in market green crackers are available. We can buy green crackers as they are eco-friendly and do not produce pollution. In this way we can have the joy of burning crackers and by not harming our planet. Thank you. Wish you happy Diwali and safe Diwali.
Hello, my name is Pratham Dodani. I am a Vedantian of class 8. Today we are going to have a debate on Diwali with crackers and without crackers. I am strongly in favor of Diwali without crackers. People talk about green crackers, but they are very expensive and some people can't afford it. Besides this, not all people in country know about green crackers. They go to market and buy normal crackers, which creates a lot of pollution. It will take some time to green crackers to become popular in market. Thank you. Have a crackerless and a safe Diwali.
Hello everyone, my name is Pulkit Somani. I am Vedantians of class 7. I am strongly favor in Diwali with crackers. Diwali is celebrated because Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya, his home, after exile of 14 years. The Diwali celebration has a religious importance for Hindu. Also we worship goddess Lakshmi and light diyas. Along with all these crackers are inseparable part of Diwali celebration. Especially the children are excited for burning crackers. They feel joy of celebration through crackers. Crackers should be burned with taking some necessary precautions. Kids should burn crackers under guidance of parents and elders. Nowadays green crackers are also available. Packaging of crackers are also given precaution and warning note written on it. We should take all this precaution note and to avoid mishappening and accident. Thank you. Wish you a very happy Diwali.
Hello everyone, my name is Athar Bhandari and I am a Vedantian of class 7 and I am strongly in favor of crackerless Diwali. We know that crackers do so much pollution. Diwali is a festival of light, not of sound. Burning of cracker create air pollution as well as noise pollution. Diwali can be celebrated in many other ways, like lighting diyas, decorating houses, and preparation and eating of sweets. We should celebrate Diwali in these ways. There are accidents that take place in Diwali. Some children burn cracker carelessly, and some elders also burn crackers without necessary precautions that causes accidents. Burning of crackers on roads disturb the traffic movement. To avoid all these problems, people should not burn crackers. Thank you. Enjoy Diwali without crackers.
Hello everyone, my name is Shraddha Tripathi. I am Vedantian from 6th standard. Today I am strongly favor in crackerless Diwali. People talk about green crackers, but green crackers are really expensive. But not everyone afford to buy green crackers. Besides this, all of our country people are not aware of green crackers, and they generally go for buy normal crackers. It will take time to green crackers to become popular in market. Thank you. Happy Diwali.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashwin. I am a Vedantian of class 7. I am strongly in the favor of crackerless Diwali. At last, I want to say that cracker-free Diwali is not only a way to revive the true spirit of the festival, but also to save the planet from getting more polluted. You should look forward to this festival to spread light and happiness. Happy Diwali and Save Diwali.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Bhavnani and I am a Vedantian of class 7th. Today I am in strongly favor of crackerless Diwali. Diwali is one of the most widely celebrated festival in India. Everyone knows why Diwali is celebrated. It has its own origin. When Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya after exile of 14 years, the residents of Ayodhya celebrated and lit earthen with diyas. But when we look in our mythology, there is no prominence of burning crackers associated with Diwali.
Diwali night is full of lights. May our life be filled with colors and lights of happiness. Wish you a very happy Diwali to all.
की रोशनी से झिलमिलाता आसमान हो, पटाखों की गूंज से आसमान रोशन हो, ऐसी आए झूम के यह दिवाली, हर तरफ खुशियों का त्योहार लाए. हैप्पी दिवाली टू ऑल. हैप्पी दिवाली टू ऑल. दीप जगमगाते रहे, सबका घर झिलमिलाते रहे, साथ हो अपने तो यूं ही मुस्कुराते रहे. Wish you a very happy Diwali to all.
I am Bhavya Bhavnani. I am Vedantian of 4th class. On this Diwali, may all our lives filled with prosperity, health and lots of fun. Wish you a very happy Diwali. Thank you.
My name is Unnati Gulabani. I am Vedantian from class 4th. On this Diwali, may all our lives full with prosperity, health and lots of fun. Wish you a very happy and safe Diwali.
So, all of us know that Diwali is a festival of lights. Then we added crackers and sweets to the celebration to double our excitement. From elderly to kids, all of us love to burst crackers. So, I would say to conclude, Diwali can be celebrated in following ways. Firstly, we have to buy green crackers. Second, don't buy crackers that create loud noise. Third, there are many other ways to celebrate Diwali, such as we can light diyas, we can decorate our houses, we can prepare sweets and distribute sweets and create happiness for others. So, wishing you all a very joyous and a prosperous Diwali. Thank you.